Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find the count of an item in a list in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to find how many times a certain element occurs in a list for data analysis purposes or any other reason. So I'll be showing you how to find the count of an item in a list in Python today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm in Jupyter Notebook and I've got a notebook opened, and I'm just going to quickly type up my list that I'm going to be using today. So that is basically the list that I'm going to be using today, and quite frankly, doing this is really easy. It's actually in the name. You're going to be using the count function to do this. So if I say x dot count of, if I want to find the count of the number 9 in this list, then I'm just going to put 9 there, and I'm going to print this just so we can see. And if I run that, then as you can see, it gives me 3. So the number of times the number 9 occurs in this list is 3 times, which is 1, 2, and 3 over there. And yeah, like I said, it's actually really easy, and there you have it, guys. If you wanted to know how to find the count of an item in a list in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.